Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. Today I'm here again with a new recipe, chicken biryani. The easiest and simplest way to make chicken biryani. So stay with me and see the full method of chicken biryani. Ingredients which is needed for that biryani you can see, and I'll tell you about how much quantity we will take of the ingredients. So let's start. Firstly, we will cut all the vegetables: onion, tomato, potato. Potato must be in cube form. Cut all in the same way, like that. Now add 1 cup of oil. Add onion. When the onion get fry a little bit brown, so then add tomato. Today I am here to tell you about the most precious and valuable personalities in our life, our parents. All you know, our parents are the precious to everyone. My parents precious to me, and your parents precious to you. It's time to add chicken and mix it with the fries, tomato and onion. What am I talking? Yeah, about parents. So don't forget the sacrifices of your parents. They have spent all their life for your happiness, that you grow. What I'm talking about parents. So don't forget the sacrifices of your parents. They have spent all their life to give you a new shape, to give you new look, to see you success in your life. But unfortunately, mostly children forget the sacrifices of their parents. Now I added potatoes, and it's time to make easiest masala, which I have told you that firstly we are marinating, but now it's a masala, and you add all the spices in that yogurt. Garam masala, biryani masala, 2 tablespoons, and chili flakes, and mix it well. Why I didn't put salt in that masala? Because of biryani masala. Biryani masala have already salt, so that's why. If you find that salt is less, then you can add. So I have added the masala, the chicken, add some chilies, and now mix it well. Food color is needed at that time, because if you put in food color on the chicken and potato, so you will see the color of. So now add food color. So at that time when you are adding food color, so it will give orange shade. So it's important for biryani. Now add 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar instead of pickles. If you have pickles, so you can add pickle. Now we are moving to next part of our recipe. Add salt and water and boil it, and then add a soak rice. Yeah, masala is ready. Yeah, so what I am talking about parents, that we need new things in our life. When the things getting old, so we want to change it, but the one and only that the parents getting old, we need it. They need care, respect, love from their children's side. Nowadays we can see mostly parents, they do not getting the love and respect from their children's side. So don't forget the sacrifices. Again, why I'm telling? Because they have spent mostly part of their life, and they just need rest. They just need love from their children's side. So why? No, you can see. Cut the coriander, mint, and onion. As I told that it modifies the taste and look of the dishes. Add food color, as I'm doing, and add a little bit vinegar instead of because I'm adding. So you can also cover it for 15 minutes. So both father and mother have an important role in our life. Father doing work outside and mother handling inside activities just for their children. So when they have spent 80% life, 20% they need protection, care and love from their children's side. So now fry the onion and put in like that and then cover it again. So when you were child, so you need love, protection, care like that. When they get old, they need also. So don't forget it. Now the biryani is ready. Mix it, all the ingredients very nicely, and then serve it. So you can see the color, you can see the local, and the taste is also yummy. I'm telling you, the taste is also yummy. You can see the color. Wow, mashallah. Now you can see the color of biryani. Amazing. And the taste is also amazing. Those people are the luckiest people who have parents and living them still. So in this age, we need the prayers of our parents, and our parents need love and care from their children's side. Whenever you are doing something and you find that you get your achievement, you get the goals, so don't think so that you have done hard work. Behind their success, your parents planned for you, so don't forget them. Biryani is ready. I hope you will like it, and if you like my video, so don't forget to give me a big thumb and also subscribe my channel if you are new on this channel. So I hope you will like it and enjoy your life with your parents and give them the same respect that they are giving you in a child when they are doing care for you the child. So it's your duty that you give them the same respect and love and care to your parents. So you can see the chicken is fully yum and enjoy that recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.